Hello guys, good morning. So I'm here with the another useful video. It's related to the junction objects. I'm gonna tell you what are junction objects in the Salesforce. So basically, I just wanted to tell you the kinds of relationship before that, which is exist in the Salesforce. We see there are three kinds of relationships in the Salesforce we generally use. The first is one to one, which is accomplished by the lookup, and the second is one to many, which is accomplished by the master detail, and the third is many to many, which is accomplished by the junction objects. So let me just define what are junction objects. Salesforce junction objects gives you a way to create the many to many relationship between Salesforce object. They are created using a custom object to relate two other objects via two master detail relationship. So there is a limit. Whenever we wanted to create a master detail relationship in any of the object, so we have a limit that we can only create two master detail relationship in that. So in that scenario, when we create two master detail relationships, that object became the junction object. So I have created one example in my org, which I have taken a screenshot. You can see over here that I have created three objects. One is employee, second is project, and third is project assigned. So in this case, project assigned is the junction object, which is containing two master detail relationships of one of it employee, and second one of is project. You see over there. So this is the master and this is the detail. This is the master and this is the detail. So you see with for this statement is you can clearly see they are created using a custom object to relate two objects via two master detail relationship. So this line clearly describes with this screenshot you can see. And let me just tell you what is many to many relationship. You can use master detail relationship to model many to many relationship between two objects. A many to many relationship allows each record of one object to be linked to the multiple records from another object and vice versa. So see what is happening over there, that employee records can be related with the multiple record of this project object, and this project object can be also related with the multiple records of employees object, and it's vice versa. So this line is again explained by this screenshot, and where the details are being saved, details are saved in the project assigned object. So sometimes in the interview they have asked what will happen when we delete the when we delete a record in the on the master side, what will happen to the junction object in terms of the junction object. The same thing what happened when we delete a record in the master detail relationship. The same thing will be happen whenever we delete an employee object. It deletes all the record which are related to the employee object from the junction object, which also deletes that record also which are related to the project. So let me just give you an example in my org for this. So okay, let's go over there. So these are the three objects I have created: employee, project, and assigned. So let's create the employee brand. Ricardo. John. Third one is John. Okay, let's create the project. Project 1, project 2, project. Okay, we are good with the two project records here. So let's create the record of junction object. This is the junction object. These are the two different objects which are related in the this junction object assigned. So you see, employee John, which is related to project 1, employee John is itself related to the project 2. Okay, and employee Ricardo is related to project 2, let's say, and Bran is related to project 1. The same, Bran is related to project 2 also. Okay, so we have 4 records over there. Let's go back to the view, list view. I have created a custom list view. So you see, John is related to project 1, also John is related to the project 2. So in an interview, someone is asked what will happen when we delete the record from the master side. So whenever we delete the record from the master side, the John's record, all the records which are related to the John in this junction object will get deleted definitely. So what are the records will get deleted? This, the first one, and the fourth one. Let me just show you. Let's delete this John. So you see, the John's records are deleted. This is the details side. And what happened when we delete the record from this detail side? Let's delete Ricardo's. So this will not definitely delete the employee Ricardo. You see, Ricardo is there. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions, doubts, you can comment me. I'll definitely clear it out. Thank you.